welcome to my channel. I've already moisturized my face, so let's get started with a primer. So for primer, I'm using this Incolor 24K Gold Gel Primer and applying it all over my face. Now for foundation, I'm using this Krayolan makeup stick in the shade FS40. Blending it out with a wet beauty blender. Dab, 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 dab. Oh god. Finally done. Okay guys, to set this in place, I'm using Krayolan Dual Finish Compact Powder in the shade OB3. This is my favorite part, the soap brows. I love doing this. I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil to fill in all the sparse areas. Okay guys, I'm using the Fashion Factory eyeshadow palette and I'm using this cool tone brown shade. Okay guys, here I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Maximalist palette and using this coral peachy tone eyeshadow. I'm just gonna place this eyeshadow on my crease area. Okay guys, I'm using this Blue Heaven Kajal to create a smoky eye look. So I'm gonna smudge this out using a Q-tip or earbud, whatever you wanna call it. I'm using this Kajal because it's easy to remove it. Guys, I've done the same thing to my lower lash line as well. I'm using this black shade from the Maximalist palette. Guys, I'm using the same coral peachy shade. I'm just blending everything out. I'm using iTex Dazzler Mascara. guys, for blush I'm using this Miss Claire blusher in the shade 16. I'm using this Miss Claire eyeshadow, baked eyeshadow as my highlighter. I'm using ADS Pro lip liner in the shade Indian Red. Here I'm using this Miss Claire lipstick in the shade Cherry Red. I love this color. I'm so sorry guys, I did not find jasmine, so I am using this yellow marigold flowers. So yeah, we're done with the look. I've just applied some chandan on my forehead and this is it guys. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Ellavarukkum sandoshakaramaaya Onam. I hope I said that right. Okay guys, bye.